Okay, well, we got to get the rain stopped over there in the UK at the Celtic Manor golf course there in Wales. The Ryder Cup's to be held on September 31st. No, October 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It's got to stop raining. Come on. I'm leaving the video response open. I want rain dances. I want prayers and everything directed at no more rain. It's already ruined. If you hate golf, you won. The course is soaked. Even the long hitters are only going to get like 2 yards of roll off of their tee shot, and they're going to be playing the rules of golf. They're not going to lift clean in place. There's going to be balls plugged in a fairway probably, but at least don't let it be raining. Let it dry out a little bit, because that affects the friction coefficient against the golf ball. People aren't going to be able to work their shots right to left, left to right. Balls are going to be popping up in the air. There's going to be mud on balls anyway, even if it quits raining. So anyway, pray, do a rain dance for it to quit raining in Wales. I don't want it to ruin the Ryder Cup matches, okay? Come out, sun. I can do this because I had a great grandpa that's 100% Dakota Indian. So, I mean, no disrespect, but anybody, I want you to know, no haters, lily white people, anything. You can do the Indian thing. You can do the home. If you got one of those things like the Aborigine, do that, you know, okay? No more rain in Wales for the Ryder Cup matches.